Today I'm going to show you how to make tuna and tomato pasta sauce.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen.
For the pasta sauce we need garlic, onion, courgette, tuna, pepper, chopped tomatoes, basil, oregano, paprika, oil and a bit of brown sugar. We need a teaspoon, tin opener, sharp knife, chopping board, a big saucepan and another big saucepan for the pasta.
Make sure you wash your hands.
Wash your hands properly, tie your hair back, put your apron on. We're ready to go.
Chop all the vegetables as small as you can.
Cut the pepper in half, remove the seeds with 2 fingers and then take anything that you don't want to out as well. To cube a pepper or any other vegetable, slice it into long strips and then each of the strips chop it into small cubes, like that, and you end up with a nice little cube. To peel and chop the onion, cut off the end and then using the claw grip, which goes around each side, cut the onion in half and peel it with your fingers. Very easy to do. To chop the onion, use the claw grip on each side of the onion and cut as closely as you can. And cut as closely as you can into little strips as well. After which,
like eating this.
yes. After which, you can make it into tiny pieces. For the courgette, top and tail it first. You can peel it, you don't have to. Cut it in half and then each of the halves slice, again using the claw grip, into thin slices. And then each of the slices again into a slice. And you can have a nice cube. Chop the garlic as small as you can. Again, you can use a claw grip and then into small pieces. Once you've chopped all the vegetables, open the tuna and drain it. And open the chopped tomatoes.
And drain it?
No, we don't drain chopped tomatoes. Just keep it as it is. Add 1 tablespoon of oil into the saucepan. Hold it steady. Nice and steady. Nice and flat. Thank you very much. Want to add it?
Yeah.
Okay. Once the oil is nice and hot, add the chopped onion and garlic and fry for about 5 minutes. Can you stir it?
No. I'm afraid.
When the onions are soft and are starting to brown, add the pepper and the courgette. Fry until the vegetables are soft. You can check with a fork if the vegetables are soft. The fork goes through it, they are ready. When all the vegetables are soft, add all your herbs and spices. Paprika, basil and oregano, and stir well. Add the chopped tomatoes and half a teaspoon of sugar. Brown sugar is best. Mix well and cook for about 10 minutes, and that gives you the time to cook the pasta. When the pasta is ready, the tuna is ready to go into the sauce. Stir well. ready to serve. Thank you for watching and see you next time.